All Docol advanced high-strength steels could easily be welded to itself and also any other kind of weldable steels without any problem. Actually, there is no so big difference between the welding between the mild steels and Docol advanced high-strength steels when you consider the arc welding and laser welding processes. Normally, one can use same welding parameters that used for mild steels can be used also the Docol advanced high-strength steels. In the case of resistance spot welding applications, welding parameters indicated in the European standards or SSAB guideline 1220 part 2 can easily be used in the welding of Docol steel grades. However, on the matter of the certain things, SSAB have absolute some suggestions or recommendations to our customers to obtain optimal results in the mechanical properties and performance of the welded joints. They are briefly explained in our welding handbook for Docol grades and uploaded in our webpage.